Hey everybody, Bryan, Kilo Bravo 9, Uniform Zulu Oscar with the Eastern Colorado Repeater Association coming to you from System 1's repeater site. Behind me you can see we do have the tower now up and running and the hardline installed and the antenna. Matt Eckris, Chairman, KD0QLY, and myself worked most of the morning into afternoon getting everything checked out, hardline installed, and the tower raised. So there's the tower there behind us. Sorry for the shaky video here. Let's get this turned around. Well, guys, we'll show you a little bit more up close and personal with the tower. Stand by. All right. So the repeater shed is a lot of the materials for getting everything installed today is still out and about, so we'll get all this cleaned up here. The repeater rack is put back where it should be here. Everything is up and running as it should. We're working on the remote DTMF, the kind of our last-ditch effort in case we need a positive control of the repeater. We have several redundant systems put in place. That's just one of them. Talk about that a little bit more. We have the weather receiver back there temporarily placed, and the repeater is up and running right now. So System 1 is good to go as far as the VHF side, folks. So we're good on that. Our SWR is a little high. It's at 1.53. I'm going to still work on getting that SWR done. We're putting on about 103 watts right now. Perfectly fine for where we're at. And we'll do some mobile testing and whatnot. So anywho, let me turn this around, give you guys a final word. All right, so with System 1 up and running again, please feel free to use the system. Let us know what you guys think. Do some range testing on it. And we sincerely appreciate everyone's support of ECRA as we finish up System 1. Now that the tower is erected, got the VHF side of things online and good to go. The UHF side, we have a little bit of issues with that, and we'll discuss at the next membership meeting to be announced here shortly. And we're taking a little bit of break on the membership meetings right now. But anyways, do appreciate everybody. Check out the system, check out the website, subscribe, and we do appreciate you folks. Any questions, thoughts, concerns, comments, please let us know. Reach out to us, email, Facebook, social media, website, or on our YouTube channel. This is Bryan, Kilo Bravo 9, Uniform Zulu Oscar with the Eastern Colorado Repeater Association saying 7 threes, and enjoy the upcoming holiday.